Hey guys, it is Julie here with JT Wealth. It has been a rough couple of weeks in the market and we're seeing a lot of red. But in today's video, we're going to take a look at what companies one analyst thinks this is a great time to stock up on in your portfolio. So let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back and thank you so much for being here. It has been a tough couple of weeks in the stock market, especially in the very popular tech sector. A lot of investors are seeing their portfolios bleeding red, and we have a lot of panic and uneasiness there. So first of all, just take a deep breath, understand that volatility is all part of the stock market, and we will get through this together. Now, in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at what types of companies one analyst thinks that this is a great time to make sure is in your portfolio. That analyst is veteran tech analyst Daniel Ives. Dan works for Wedbush and comes in as a 5-star rated analyst ranked number 129 out of over 7,300 analysts on TipRanks. Dan said that the risk-off trade for tech has been a painful one for tech investors this week, as worries around high valuations, bubble fears, rotation trade, rising yields, and a focus on reopening plays takes center stage. Despite this, though, Dan does not think this is the end for technology stocks. But before we get into all of that, this is just your friendly reminder that if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and leave your thoughts in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to check out my new daily pre-market update video over on the TipRanks YouTube channel, where we'll be getting you all the information you need to know to get started in the market before the opening bell. Now, according to Dan, the digital transformation is just getting started. And this will last a number of years among companies in cloud, cybersecurity, e-commerce, and 5G. These subsectors are the life of the tech party, with consumer and enterprise demand catalyzing a multi-year growth boom ahead. Now, some investors are starting to get concerned about how our reopening economy will affect some of the companies that have benefited from the stay-at-home lockdown. And though collaboration software companies like Zoom, Team, Slack, and Citrix will see moderating growth into 2022, many chief executives have told Wedbush that 30% to 40% of employees could remain working remotely in some form. This will prompt companies to rip the Band-Aid off and go aggressive with cloud transformations. So let's take a look at some of the companies that Dan Ives thinks that investors should make sure are in their portfolio during this weakness in the market. Starting off with some very well-known companies in the tech space that probably will not come as a big surprise. One of those is Apple under AAPL, currently at about $120 per share, with an average price target of $150 for just shy of a 25% potential upside. And you can see second on the list down there is Dan Ives, with his buy rating reiterated 4 days ago with a $175 price target for about a 45% potential upside. Another is Microsoft under MSFT, currently at $227 per share, with an average price target of $282 for about a 24% potential upside. It also has a unanimous buy rating from 23 analysts. And once again, third on our list down there is Daniel Ives' rating from 17 days ago, with a $300 price target for about a 32% potential upside. Next is a company that has definitely benefited from our work from home mandates over this last year, up over 200% from March lows, and that is DocuSign. Trading under the ticker DOCU, they're currently at about $211 per share, with an average price target of $285 for just shy of a 35% potential upside. Once again, third on our list down there is Daniel Ives, with his buy rating at $300 for about a 42% potential upside. Next, we have a company that I actually hadn't heard of before, and that is Scalar with a Z. Now, this is a company that focuses on securing the cloud for businesses. They trade under the ticker ZS and are currently priced at $180 per share. They have 12 buy ratings and 8 holds and an average price target of $229 for about a 27.5% potential upside. Now, we had to go a bit further down the list here to find Dan's rating on this, as we had a ton of analysts update their ratings after their earnings 6 days ago, but he comes in just above the midway point there with a $240 price target for about a 32% potential upside. After this, we have another cybersecurity focused company, and that is Palo Alto Networks. Under the ticker PANW and currently at $335 per share, they have an average price target of $439 for about a 31% potential upside. And they also had a lot of analysts upgrading their price targets after a recent earnings report. But we do have Dan Ives about 6 down in the list there. His price target is at $450 for nearly a 34% potential upside. Next, we have SailPoint Technology. Now, they focus on providing identity governance and cloud identity management and authentication software. Trading under the ticker SAIL, they're at $53.97 per share, and they are another company that has unanimous buy ratings. Average price target is over $70 per share for about a 30% potential upside. Now, Mr. Ives is actually on the higher end of price targets for this one, as he comes in with an $80 price target for nearly a 50% potential upside. And one other company is Nuance Communications, who is a software technology company focused on speech recognition and artificial intelligence. Trading under the ticker NUAN, they're currently priced just shy of $42 per share. With 6 buy ratings and a nearly $60 average price target, that means a potential upside of over 42%. And this is another one that Dan is coming in on the higher end of the price targets, with his price target of $65 per share for a nearly 55% potential upside. So some great opportunities there. And beyond that, across the entire tech sector, Dan Ives thinks that we're going to see some steady growth and recovery, expecting at least 25% growth across the industry. And of course, a lot of that will be driven by our very popular FANG companies, including Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and Google. As far as reopening plays, Daniel Ives thinks that disruptive tech companies like Uber and Lyft will have some great potential there. And while tech regulation is a long-term risk, according to Wedbush, it still remains a Goldilocks environment for tech stocks with the Biden administration. Ives sees President Joe Biden as likely to ramp down tensions in the Cold War tech brewing between the US and China, as well as encourage cybersecurity initiatives. Market bears will come out of hibernation to warn investors that the tech boom and bull rally is over, Ives said, but Wedbush believes that this is a golden opportunity to own the secular tech winners for the next 12 to 18 months at compelling valuations given some of these sell-offs. So I just wanted to share some of those, along with Dan's opinions on the recent sell-off, to let you know that it is not all doom and gloom in the future. The worst thing you can do during a big market downturn like this is to panic sell. Believe in the companies that you invested in and understand that fundamentally nothing has changed and there is still plenty of room for growth down the road. Of course, I always love hearing from you guys, so make sure you let me know your thoughts on these stocks mentioned by Dan Ives and how you're handling these couple weeks of red lately. Leave your thoughts down below in the comments. Keep in mind that these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock and are just meant for information and entertainment purposes. Any investment decision needs to be made based on your own research and due diligence. Now, if you made it all the way to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. And don't forget to check out my daily pre-market morning update over on the TipRanks YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day and cheers.